Hello guys, today we work with the page number 115, and we have to talk about frogs. We are going to watch a video about these guys, these frogs, but you have to pay attention because later on we have some questions and you can answer with this video, okay? So here we go.
Frogs' eggs become tadpoles. Tadpoles can swim. A tadpole becomes a froglet. A froglet has got legs. It can swim. Then a froglet becomes a big frog. Frogs can swim and hop.
Okay, they are talking about the frogs since they born. Okay, entonces let's answer the questions. Vamos a escucharlo, vamos a leer acerca de esto. Aquí viene. Listen up.
These are frogs' eggs in water.
Frogs.
1.
After 2 weeks, the eggs become tadpoles. They can swim.
2.
After 6 weeks, the tadpole becomes a froglet. It can swim.
3.
After 10 weeks, the froglet becomes a frog. It can swim and hop.
Okay, there we go. Ahí dijeron los números. After what weeks. Así que pues vamos a completarlo. And the activity number 2, we have this activity and says complete the timeline, draw and write. Vamos a escribir los nombres. ¿Qué fue primero? Eggs, frog, froglet or a tadpole. Entonces vamos a ponerlos aquí, estos nombrecitos. ¿Cuál fue el primero? The second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Para que completemos nuestra actividad, ¿ok? We are talking about frogs, how they can, how they born and how they became a frog. So, vamos a terminarlo para que completen esta actividad. And remember, we are practicing the spelling. Practicamos el alfabeto el día de hoy. Así que síganlo haciendo en casa. Les voy a dejar por aquí un video acerca de eso, del alfabeto, para que puedan hacer el spelling. Les voy a dejar también ya una lista con un montón de palabras porque son las que vamos a estar utilizando para ese evento del Spelling Bee. Okay, so see you later. I see you tomorrow, Tuesday. Bye bye.